Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking up.
What's up guys, welcome to a new video. And in this video I'm coming to you with 7 extremely effective cardio exercises you can do for beginners anywhere. So before we get into this video, you don't have to be at the gym or on a treadmill to be able to do cardio. You can do cardio at the comfort of your home. You see, that's because cardio helps in fat burning. When you increase your heart rate into the target heart rate, your blood is pumping faster, your heart is beating more harder, therefore your body is burning more calories. So because this workout was designed for beginners, we're gonna be doing it for 30 seconds of walk and 10 seconds of rest. But if you're more advanced, you can decide to increase the walk time or rather decrease the rest time. So for the first exercise, we're going to be going with jumping jacks. This is good for increasing the heart rate, so that's why we're going to start up with this exercise. So let's begin. 30 seconds guys. Guys, now that's done. You can see we're beginning to feel that heart rate getting up. So for the second exercise, we're gonna wait 20 seconds, then get into the next exercise, which is jump lunge, which is also good for increasing your heart rate. So you're gonna stay in a position like this, and you're gonna switch with your hands behind your head. You're gonna switch. So guys, let's begin. Also remember to tighten your abdominals when doing this workout. Don't forget to breathe in and out so you don't get fatigued so easily. Guys, now that's done. You can see I'm breathing so hard right now. So for the next one, we're gonna need your fitness mat. So next one, let's get quickly into this one. Put your legs out straight and bring each of your knee to your elbow and switch while doing it. Guys, don't forget to breathe while doing this. Which is burpees. If you're more advanced, you can decide to go down, push up, come back and jump up. But since this exercise is for beginners, we're gonna just go, no push up, jump, no push up. 30 seconds, guys. Also put your hands up in the air while doing it. Now that's done. So for the next one, mountain climbers. You see, this combination of workout go well with helping you build that cardiovascular endurance you need while running, jogging. So let's begin. stay in the push-up position like this for the next one, which is in and out, open and close. You bring your leg in, close to your palm, bring it out, open, close, bring it in, open, close, just like that. Let's go. Bring your leg up, high like that. Gonna act like you're running, but in a steady position. Whew. Now guys, you see how steady I am? That's to show you what just these quick 7 exercises will do to you. You see, not so difficult, but very effective for fat burning. And you can, guys, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, share this video with someone who's looking to get their cardio up and going. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.